Asada Torta using Spiceology spices. We're going to season the skirt steak. Then we are going to put it onto Talera bread that De Leon's Bakery made for us out of Spokane, Washington. A little bit of avocate, which is basically avocado that's been pureed with a little bit of citric acid, cilantro, lime juice, and sea salt, and then escabeche. And this is escabeche right here. Tomatoes, red onion, shallots, and Fresno chilies pickled in a tomato-style vinegar. It is 100% a high five in the mouth.
Hey, come on, guys, get some free sandwiches.
We're out. We fed the people, all right? The people asked to be fed, and we fed them. We gave them what they wanted.